Good morning, everybody. I hope everybody had a wonderful evening and is ready for the Monday and the week. My shoulders are a little sore in between my wings. I probably picked up the laundry basket one too many times, but then again, I just wasn't thinking. It's something that I have to learn my limitations of, something I did every day that I haven't done for a couple months. So I'm a little sore. So I'm sitting on the heating pad. I'm going to do some stretches, get in the shower, and start my day. But anyways, before that, I wanted to tell you my good news. And I'm sorry I'm late, but it has been doctor appointment after doctor appointment. My doctor is fast tracking all of this treatment. Her words, not mine, is I have been through hell and I am taking you out of it. So it has just been one thing after another. Anyways, the positive news is that out of the 5 lesions, I've learned that not masses, lesions, because now we have the diagnosis, and I should start with that. So the final diagnosis at this point is tumor affective MS and relapsing MS. So multiple sclerosis in 2 different forms. The 5 lesions that I had in my head, one of them is gone. The small, obviously these 2 small ones that were about 2 centimeters. One of them is gone, and the other one is almost gone. Like you can barely see it, like just remnants of it. The 3 big ones are still there, but they are shrinking, which is awesome news. I believe it said that big blob that's kind of like right here that's affecting my cognitive ability and my motor skills also is shrinking and is more in the left side of the brain. So that would make sense on why I've got that right side numbness still kicking pretty hard. But anyways, positive news. Another positive news, I am a perfect candidate for the infusion treatment. So we are now pushing to get insurance to get approved, and I am waiting for the phone call on the date that I go in and I start my infusion treatment. It is an old chemotherapy drug, so it is a heavy drug, and it is going to be a big road and a long fight, but I think I'm ready for it. So everything has been positive news in the last few days from my doctors. My husband and I are thrilled, and we can't wait to start treatment. We can't wait to get back to living our lives together the way that we used to, where we used to just drop our stuff and go to Florida or go somewhere and go scuba dive and be gone for a few days and come home and get the kids and do it all over again the next week. So positive news, everybody. I'm feeling really happy and really excited. Keep you updated on when the infusions are set and when we get going on those. And I hope everyone has a great day. And remember, you are stronger than you all think. Thanks for hanging out.